Hi, Victor. Good afternoon, good evening. This is Alan Braish from Schneider Electric. I think this video is going to be a little bit more detailed and easier to show you how to enable the spreadsheet import-export into DCO. The first thing you need to do is basically browse your desktop system to the file, the program file, EcoStruxure IT if you have the latest version. If you still have StructureWare DCO 8.2 or 8.3, it's the same thing. You can browse to that. You can go to the application folder. Inside the application folder, you will find one single .ini file. If you open up this ini file, there is different entries. One of those entries correspond to importing Excel file. By default, this entry is going to have a pound sign in front of it. All you need to do is you need to remove that pound sign and save the file. Once you have saved the file, you will be able to open up your client software. And when you open up the client software, you will see under import, you have equipment from Excel workbook option. When you click on this option, it gives you the chance to either way browse for an Excel file to import the information from, or you can actually create a template, an empty Excel sheet template that DCO recognizes very well that later on you can import. And once you save this template, for example, on your desktop, you will be able to open up that template and you will see that there are some generic entries in there for you to understand how this Excel sheet works. You can later on remove all of them if you want. For example, if we start from left-hand side, room name, you're creating an entire room, you can name that room. You can create rows and you can have UPSs and PDUs in those rows, even crack units and ATSs. You can create racks in each one of those rows, and inside those racks you will have servers. Now if we look at the details of the server, it's very detail oriented, going from the actual server itself to the PDU that is connected to, all the way to UPS that is connected to, power supplies. All that information can be entered into the spreadsheet and can be automatically imported into DCO afterward. And after the power information, the network information comes in. And this network information can be as detailed as you want. You can have multiple connection to the server. You can have different type of cables. You can specify as much detail as you want for importing into DCO about networking component. You can, in some cases, you can leave the power portion completely blank, but you can put as much information as you want for the networking portion, where you can specify the cable, you can specify the type of connection, you can specify the number of connections, and you can fill up this spreadsheet. Once the spreadsheet is filled up, you can come back to DCO, you can go to the same place, and in this case, you can browse for that spreadsheet that you created and import it into the new room that you created. And with that case, all the components will be automatically imported into the system. Hopefully this short video helped you enable the Excel sheet import process. Thank you very much and you have a good day.